Welcome to DK Bowl Chat. I'm glad you're here. I'm putting in the tops of these little rocks right here, and this painting is almost done. If you were wondering how much longer I'm going to be doing it, not too much longer. This may be the video I stop. Just putting tops on these little dark parts of the rocks. Maybe a little more highlight on some of the other ones over here where the light's hitting them. And in the foreground. That's pretty good. Is there any more? Maybe over here. And I'm glad you're here. I'm gonna put a little bit more light on this one. Do I need any more on this? I think maybe right there on the back there. I'm gonna go there and do it where this little ledge is. Just a little bit of stark difference where that ledge is. I'm blending it with two colors. I'm blending it with the color that was on there, plus the highlight. Okay. I also see something else I can do before I'm done today, which would be to bring the tree in front of this rock. It goes in front of it just a bit, so I'm just going to try not to rest my hand where I put paint. There we go. This brush is a 20-0. It's a really small round. It's brought in front now. It's good. Put a little bit on the top one too. This branch right here. And I have to find a place to rest my hand. There we go. We're going to put a little bit on the top of this one. And get some brown. There we go. Put some dark brown on the outside. All right. And then I see some black brown on the tree in the foreground, it's not in the foreground, it's on the top of this rock. If I can find a place, there we are. That tree trunk will get you in there. There we go. And I need to look and see if there's any, do I need to put any lighter on top of those? Maybe a little bit here and there on those little rocks. But I think I'm pretty much done painting rocks. And I could bring some of them over the side here. I don't need to have it completely perfect on the side. It's the side. But enough to bring it around towards continuing the painting. Okay, and then that's just got grass on this side. There's a little bit more I wanted to do, and that was on the shadow, which is right here. And that's all it is shadow, and I'm just gonna see if I can get just the shadow color right there. This is a burnt umber ultramarine and also a little bit of the medium. And it's where the rock is casting a shadow. And all I need to do is take off a little bit of that medium. This is a Q-tip. Okay. I think that might be good. I think that might be good. I'll let it dry, and then I can varnish it with Gamvar, and it will be done. I think that will be good. Well, thank you for joining me. And if you like this video or if you like process videos, please click like and please subscribe to my channel, DK Bowl Chat. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.